Alright guys, here I am in beautiful Hawaii, walking on the beach in Secret Island, and just really joyful. And I just wanted to kind of share with you just a little brief thought, I guess, on gratefulness and actually kind of being okay with where you're at and just being grateful for the little things in your life. Like, you woke up this morning, some people didn't. You are breathing, some people aren't. You have arms and legs, some people don't. You have family that loves you, some people don't. You might live above the poverty line, many people don't. You might have eaten 3 meals today, many people won't. You might sleep in a warm bed tonight, many won't. You might get the opportunity to go to university or school, many don't get that opportunity. You might be able to quit a job and get another one the next week, whereas some people sit in unemployment for years, and it's not always for lack of trying. And I just want you to kind of grasp this concept that you have so much amazing blessings in your life. Focus on what you have, not what you don't have. Focus on who you are, not who you're not. Don't be discontent by not having things. Be grateful and content by having things. That's all I wanted to say. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe. Jesus loves you all. Josiah out.
Woo! All right, who wants to run? Brent, you always want to run.